Hello and welcome to this Geogebra classic tutorial on how to construct the Pythagoras theorem. In this tutorial, we'll be using Geogebra classic to create a visual representation of the famous mathematical theorem, and we'll be adding some interactivity to make it some engaging.
This tutorial is in English, so make sure your website is in English.
Let's start by adding 3 points to our Geogebra workspace. To do this, simply click on the point tool in the toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen, and then click 3 times on the workspace to add points A, B, and C.
Step 2. Connecting the points. Next, we need to connect these points with line segments. To do this, click on the segment tool in the toolbar and then click on point A and point B to create a line segment connecting them. Repeat this process to create segments connecting points C and A and point B and C.
Polishing with a slider. That we have our basic construction. Let's add some interactivity to make it more engaging. We can do this by adding a slider to our construction that will allow us to change the length of the sides of the right triangle.
To do this, click on the slider tool in the toolbar and then click and drag to create a slider on the workspace. Next, right-click on the slider and select Object Properties. In the General tab of the Properties dialog, give the sliders a name such as S and set the minimum value to 3 and the maximum value to 8. Now we need to select the polygon tool and create a regular polygon. Click on it and then go to point B and then click point A. Now select the field and enter the expression S. This will allow us to change the length of segment AB by moving the slider. Repeat this process for the line segments connecting points C and A and B and C. Now you should be able to move the slider to change the length of the sides of the right triangle, and see how the Pythagorean theorem holds true for all values of the sides. First, click the medium polygon. Go to the 3 dots. Then click on Settings. Now change the name to leg 1, as shown on the screen. Now go to the tab of Color and select the color you want. In this case, we choose green.
Repeat the same with the smallest polygon, but with a different color, and change the name to leg 2.
Now click on the big polygon and go to Settings again. But now change its name to Hypotenuse and to a different color than the other 2 links.
Now we're gonna click on this tab with the plus sign. Here we're gonna write first HYP equals area. This gonna drop you a tab with different options. We're gonna click the one that says area polygon. Now in the parentheses we're gonna write first the name of our first polygon, leg 1. Now you're gonna repeat this step with our polygon leg 2 and then with the polygon hypotenuse.
Now we need to add the area to each of our polygons. Go to this option and select Text. Now click on each of them and select Advanced And then this Geogebra icon, and you should select the name you previously added. In this case, you should select hypotenuse and click OK. Repeat the same with the other two polygons, but with the names leg 1 and leg 2.
And finally, we're gonna add another text. Here, we're gonna click first on hypotenuse, then we're gonna write equals, then again we're gonna click on leg 1, then we're gonna write plus, and finally leg 2. Then you click on OK, and now we have our formula for the Pythagoras theorem.
And that's it. You've just learned how to construct the Pythagoras theorem in GeoGebra Classic. Thank you for watching and happy exploring!